Hi friends, welcome back to the part 3 of our WordPress theme development series. Today we will make our theme more powerful by adding the functions.php file, and using that we will add a support for custom logo and custom menus. So let's start. So first, let's create a file functions.php inside our theme folder. So what is functions.php? It's a special WordPress theme file where you can add all the important features and functionality for your theme. It's like the brain of your theme that tells WordPress what your theme can do. So if you break this, the entire website will break. So in this file you can load a CSS and JavaScript file properly and add support for logos, menus and other supports that's required in your theme. You can register custom menus to use in your theme. Add any PHP code that runs when WordPress loads your theme. We can do these all things in this functions.php file. So first let's load the main style.css files here. So we can use the inbuilt functions loopy enqueue style. So first we need to define a custom function here. My theme custom. You can name it anything. So we can use this inbuilt function, the loopy enqueue style. Here we need to pass the style key. It should be unique for every style you load in your theme. Style. And we can use the inbuilt functions get style sheet URI. And to run this, we need to use the action hook. This WP enqueue scripts. And add this callback function here. So WP enqueue style tells WordPress to load the CSS file. Get style sheet URI points to the main style.css in your theme folder. Add action WP enqueue scripts runs this function at the right time during page load. So those who don't know how these add action hooks work, you can watch my series on hooks and filters. So if we refresh this website, if we remove this from the header, still the style file will load. See. Let's move on to register a custom logo for your theme. As you can see in the customize, there is no options to add logos here. So we can add this using our theme functions.php. For this again we need to create a separate function. Let's name it my theme setup. We need to use the inbuilt function add theme support and pass this key as custom logo. We can add an array of this height, the logo specifications basically. Height 100. Let's hide. Then we can simply add this add action, and we need to use the hook after setup theme, and we need to call this function here as a callback. Now if we refresh, it's customized, go to site identity, we can see the options to add logo here. So what this functions does, Add theme support custom logo tells WordPress your theme supports custom logos. This array defines the specifications of this logo like size and flexible resizing options. Okay, so if you upload any logo here, mm, will get uploaded but won't be visible as of now. This is the way we can add the support for custom logo in our theme. Now let's register a custom menu for our theme. First, if you go to the dashboard, you can see there is no options to add menu here. Let's add the menu support. So in the same functions which we have created, we can add another theme support for the menus. Add theme support menus. So if we refresh the dashboard again, go to appearance, you will see the options to add menus to your theme. But there isn't any locations to display the menu. For that, we need to again use a different function called register nav menu. It will take an array of this key for the menu and the name of the menu. Primary menu and the theme name. It's the nav menus. If you refresh this, you can see the location is also added here. To display this in your theme, we will see in the next tutorial. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video.